Hey, this is James. Going to work on the green machine today. This is a 1987 Kawasaki KX125E2. I restored it. Traded it in with a buddy. Gave him my old XR500 and got this in a non-running condition and rebuilt the top and bottom together. I ride it regularly. It's in some of the videos. And I had a little too much fun with it a couple weekends ago and laid it down twice, and the radiator started leaking on it. So I got, this is what I rigged it up so I could keep on riding. And this I just, the bolt's strapped there, and so I just gotta come up with a better locking washer here. And then we're gonna take care of this Petcock. It is giving me problems where it's either on or it's off, or it doesn't know what it is, and so I'll be riding along and then it just cuts out. This thing kicks over one start. Check this out. I got this off of eBay. It's for an 89, but it works. Looks like damn thing looks brand new. Ten steps to the rescue.
That's about it for the montage of disassembly. Check out this last clip here where it's really twisted. That radiator has been through a lot. Can't believe it's still held water.
All right, check this baby out. I didn't do all that. This is from years of good times by all the previous owners of this bike. That's the front of it. Look at that. I was just the last guy to put a hole in it. Not bad for 34 years, 37 years. Look how bent this thing is. I can't really see it on camera very well. Look at that. Oh yeah, there you go. The puppy's just smoked. Here's the new one from the 89. Now, this bike did not have any miles on it. I mean, yeah, some. It had some good times, but not enough. And with the matchup, the pipe is different. Definitely different. And so I need to go look. I think I probably should order some pipes because I'm going to do a vintage race with it. All right, it's getting ready to put this on, and we're oval, not round. And same there. So, how's a motorcycle mechanic supposed to fix something like that? So what I'm working on, there's a tapered socket, and dang it, it's not gonna work. I gotta find see if I can find a smaller taper one or figure out plan B. I had to use channel locks to de-oval it a little bit. Then I used the taper on the end and a little bit of very light hammering to round this baby back out. directional back on. It's going to be something like that. Back here by the airbox. And down by the fuel hoses. I'm back. It's been a few weeks. Got my shipment of new silicone pipes from AS3 Performance in the UK, not sponsored. Found them on eBay and they shipped them over, and here they are. The shipping was almost as much as the pipes were, but I couldn't find them anywhere else, and these look pretty cool. Let's get these on. All right, we can see this piece is broken off there, been gone for a long time. So I made this out of a collapsed umbrella. Just hammered it down, and it's going to be hidden. And just made it to the fuel tank to here. I was going to use some flat steel, or not steel, but aluminum that I had, but in the past, seems when I bend it, it always, the crease always on the aluminum will break at one of these spots, especially when it's at extreme. So it's ugly, but it'll work. I think it'll be better. It's box steel or box aluminum. Probably just box steel, real thin crap. There's the new Petcock. Hopefully it's a worker. eBay as well. This one's pretty simple. Just the bolts there. I'm going to drain it first. Oh, look at all that goober. Look at all that stuff. Ugh. No wonder it was hard to turn.
As you can see, there was a lot of gunk in the tank. I didn't quite figure that out until I put the new one in there, and it gunked up as well. Pulled the tank off and cleaned it out. Years of riding, probably haven't been cleaned in a while, and finally gave up on me. I cleaned both Petcocks out, and they both work fine now. Center is off, left or right is on, and that does it for this video. I got a couple more that I'm editing right now about this bike, and so check back, and thanks for joining me today.